Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the Google Pixel 2 XL thin case by Spigen. As you can see here, this is from Spigen and it is air cushion technology, and it is a slim one. As you can see, it's mentioned here. Installation is very easy. Also you get to the instruction how to remove it. It is available in India. I have ordered it from Amazon.in, as you can see here. So Spigen is now available in India. You don't need to go to Spigen.com and buy Spigen stuffs. And Spigen makes good quality cases and as well as your screen protectors. So this I have bought for my Pixel because it is not that much thick, and it has a good amount of grip in it. So let me open this up. Okay. This one comes in black. I couldn't get a transparent one, so this is the case, as you can see here. So here you can see apply metal plate for magnetic air vent mount. So this also supports the Spigen in-car air mount. I don't know that you might be knowing or not, but if you check out the Spigen website, there you will find there is a mount which when you place it on the top of that air vent, it fixes the phone. So this is the place where you can apply that metal plate and use it in your car. So I don't have that mount right now, just this phone and this case. And the case feels very nice actually. It has a very rugged finish on it, so you won't be feeling that your phone will slip up from your hand. And it has a fingerprint sensor cap also. So let me install it. Okay. So I have put it inside here. So you can see here we have got cutouts for your volume rocker and the power button, as well as your fingerprint sensor. It has a good cutout for your camera back, and the phone feels very nice after installing this case. Also it is not making like the phone a bit bulky or not heavy. It's very light. So that's all my friends. This is the Google Pixel 2 XL Spigen back case. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.